Hey, what's up guys? This is Lil Timmy, and in today's video, I'm just acting like my favorite YouTuber, Magic Tech Review, but yeah, I like lollipops, and I like Minecraft, and I like Roblox, and I like Angry Birds, and I love my LG Pheonix 4, so he's gonna do a little review for you guys.
Is that a cheap budget phone you got in your hand? Hey, what's up with that stupid lollipop? You need a vape, bro.
But
here, let me hook you up with an Apple and a cool-ass vape, bro.
oh well. Guess I gotta be cool.
Now you're gonna get all the chicks, man.
Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and do a more full review of the LG Pheonix 4, and I'm gonna show you guys, or tell you guys, my opinions and my thoughts, and should you buy this phone, yes or no. I've done some comparisons and all that other stuff to a lot of my other phones, so go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you want Little Timmy to do in his next video. Do you want to ask his mom and dad for a new flagship, or what? Alright, let's go ahead and get ready. It is the LG Pheonix 4. So I actually got this from Target. It's an ATT prepaid branded phone. It is $60, guys. You do have your bottom speaker right here, bottom firing speaker, no dual speakers here. You got your little bit of an LG branding. You got your little bit of an AT&T branding. But I do like how they kind of do it subtly, not really too big and bold or anything like that. The design is quite kind of bleh, not really that great. It's just kind of LG kind of stuff, which I mean it's good and bad at the same time. I do like the texturing on the back. That's a good thing right there, so it doesn't really slip out of your hands. It's a 5-inch device, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage. So you're not going to get a lot of storage out of this phone. 2 gigabytes of RAM, 1.1 quad-core processor. So it's not going to be the fastest or zippiest thing in the world, but nevertheless, it's been pretty good in my just everyday type of use or whatever. So not really a lot of lag when you're trying to do things, when you're trying to go into messaging and everything like that. Obviously you got your LG keyboard, which you can go ahead and remove and put in your Gboard, so not bad on that. Haven't really seen any glitches or anything like that. Let's go ahead and just check out the camera real quick. I am using the Motorola E5 Super to go ahead and record this. So obviously guys, it's gonna look different on the actual screen that you're using, or the actual camera that you're using, but I can say that the cameras are decent for what you get. It is an $80. Let me go ahead and just snap some pictures real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures of the front, take some pictures of the back, and yeah, so not the fastest camera in the world, I have to say. Let me see, we got the flash. You got your bright flash on the front. Well, not, it's like a pseudo flash. It's not like a real, not like a real flash, but you do have your flash on the back, which is going to give you better conditions there when you're trying to do backwards rear facing camera pictures. We're going to go ahead and take a video as well. Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. Yeah, alright. Stop that. And then we're going to go ahead and do one from the front as well, and then we're going to go ahead and review it. Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? Hopefully this sounds good. Alright. Okay. So, let's go ahead and take a little review of these things that are right here. So this is the yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hopefully this sounds good. Alright, so that's the front camera and that's the rear camera. What is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. Yeah, alright. So like I said, camera's not going to be like DSLR quality camera or anything like that, but you can get some good shots with some good lighting. I can see that right now. And I did do some outdoors as well. Let me go ahead and do that for you. Yo, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. A $60 phone right here. And what do you think? What do you think? Alright. Bam. That was outside, actually, in a cloudy condition, so not bad at all. And then this is, let's see here. Rear camera. What is up? Ghouls and ghosts. I'm doing a little video. Hey, alright, cool, man. It's Magic Tech Review, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. So, I mean, overall, like I said, for $60, I think this is pretty much a win. You're not going to be really too disappointed. Obviously, if you're used to flagship quality and you're used to, you know, $100, $200, $300 phones, then you're going to be disappointed. But you do get some bloatware in here, guys, so just be careful on that. Once you actually get into the phone, it's going to start downloading different things. It's going to put the Wish app on there for you. It's going to put Yelp on there. It's going to put Solitaire on there. It's going to put Groupon on there. It's going to put LinkedIn on there. It's going to put CNN on there. Wow, that's crazy how they kind of do that. And then AT&T, you're going to have a lot of AT&T bloatware as well. So just be careful on that, guys. That, you know, there is a lot of bloatware that comes pre-installed, or that it comes on your phone as soon as you actually just leave it alone and hook it up to Wi-Fi. So yeah, wow, that's crazy. So did not notice that. I guess it took its time and actually downloaded it after when I was getting the phone prepared for review. And then obviously you have your Amazon shopping as well. So lots of different companies getting, and Facebook as well. So lots of different companies getting their hands in on this phone before you even get a chance to install your own apps. So what I like on a phone is to only have your Google stuff, obviously, because it's an Android, you know, Google phone. So, and then, you know, all this other stuff, you know, you can do if you want to on the side, or if you'd like to after the fact. But for them to do that like that, man, that's pretty shady. But oh well. I guess that's how the mobile phone market is nowadays. So let's go ahead and take a look here at some settings. So you got your VPN, you got your wireless emergency alerts that you can do. You can do your tethering right here. So you can have a mobile hotspot on here. You can do a Bluetooth tethering as well. So just in case you're wondering, anything like that. You got your call stuff right there. You got call blocking, Wi-Fi calling, so you can make Wi-Fi calls. It's pretty cool. Let's see here. Okay, you got your gestures right here. So let's see what kind of gestures you can do. Silence incoming calls by flipping the phone to silence incoming calls. So that's a pretty cool little gesture. LG has a lot of different gestures on their phones, which is pretty cool. They do have lots and lots of variation on LG products. So if you're looking for something that's gonna like really have a lot of customization features, then you definitely want to get an LG. A lot of people like this ringtone ID. Let your phone create a unique ringtone for each call based on the phone number that's calling you. So if a number's calling you, it'll actually announce the number. So some people might not like this, especially if you have a significant other and you're getting a call from somebody else that you don't want them to know about. Yeah, you might not want to turn on this ring ID thing. So vibration type, that's pretty cool that you can change the different vibrations or whatever. TikTok. So that's pretty cool. You can actually change the vibrations. Some phones don't have that. I know the Motorola E5 Super, I don't think has that. Your do not disturb, your lock screen. That's pretty cool there. You can show or hide all your notifications. Apps, you can actually hide your apps, which is also pretty cool if you want to, have some apps and you don't want everybody to know that you're using a certain app, or maybe a gallery. I don't know, whatever you can think of there. They do have some themes right there, so that's pretty cool. You can get more themes. You can get a high contrast theme, which looks pretty awesome. This is probably what I would actually use if I was using it as my daily driver. Let me go ahead and apply that real quick. So I do like the high contrast type of themes, just the kind of like the black and yellow and all that other goodness right there. So while that's applying, you do have an 8 megapixel camera on the back. or I'm sorry, a 5 megapixel camera on the back, a 2 megapixel camera on the front. You have a 2500 milliamp battery, which should last you pretty good, seeing as this is a 5-inch display. And yeah, see, like I said right there, that's more like it. I like this dark theme right there. So let's go ahead and get right back into the settings, of course. So these are all your settings that you get up top, and then right here, and then you can also edit that and bring in some other ones. Let's go ahead and go into the, man, that's really nice. I really dig this. See, I really wish that other phones would come with this. So that's really a standout feature right there. This high contrast thing, man, I'd be all over this. So you do have your gaming right there. Let's go ahead and check out the storage real quick. So you do have 7.58 of 16 gigabytes used already. So pretty much almost half of the storage already used on this device. 1 gigabyte from apps that they have preloaded on there. So I'm pretty sure you might be able to take some of them off. Let's go ahead and take a look right here real quick to see if you can actually take some of these off. ATT Smart Wi-Fi, you can just clear the data. Doesn't look like you can uninstall them. CNN, wow, you can't even get rid of CNN? No way, come on now. Don't tell me that. Delete. CNN's down to trash. You can change your mind. Okay, cool. Alright, so yeah, you're able to get rid of stuff like that. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get back into it. You got your battery and power saving mode. You got your percentage right there. Battery percentage on status bar, battery saver, power saver inclusion. So all that good stuff like that, guys. As you can see, I'm not going to keep going and going, but it is 2 gigabytes of memory right there. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good sense of what this phone can do or what it has and all that stuff. And I'm just going to show you the software info real quick. It is 7.1.2. So it is Nougat right there. It's not Oreo. But other than that, guys, $60, I think I like it. I likes it. I think it's a go, guys, if you want to get this phone. Is it the best phone in the world? No, but for $60, and for somebody that's just getting into smartphones or hasn't had a smartphone in a while, or maybe it's somebody that just needs a phone for right away, I think this would be definitely a great option. And I'd even say if you're a veteran and you still just needed something, this is not going to really be that bad of an experience. So yeah, I definitely think this is definitely something to look forward to for $60. Alright, peace out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave that like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Guys, it's Lil Timmy here. So I love Minecraft, I love Roblox, and I love my LG Pheonix 4. So yeah, I totally I'm the best at Angry Birds. So yeah, I'm so cool, but